Hi everybody, this is Chet from Sea Lake Journeys. I'm bringing you on a cabin tour of Aloha Deck 303. It's a fully accessible wheelchair cabin. First thing we're going to do is use our Princess Medallion to access the cabin. Did you hear it unlock? See it turn green? And away we go.
The Princess Medallion technology will unlock the door for you when you approach it. However, the door does not open automatically, and it is quite heavy.
So here in A303, if you look to the door right behind you, you'll see the emergency instructions. That's where you will find where your muster station is. And that light right there you see is for people who have hearing impairments. People who are deaf can watch that light so they know somebody is at the door.
So to turn it off, you can have it turned off here. It makes a flashing light. So we turned it off.
This card you see in the slot enables you to have lights inside the cabin. Those are the light switches right below it. Here's your air condition controls and your light switch for the bathroom.
The most important part of the accessible cabin is the bathroom. Let's check it out, if we can.
What makes an accessible cabin accessible is the fact that a wheelchair can roll through the door, that the door is wide enough. The bathroom door is also wide enough, and there's no ledge. It's simply roll in for the wheelchair. Same with the shower. There is no tubs in any accessible cabin, only the roll-in type shower. And here you see me demonstrating the shower chair, which folds down from the wall. The shampoo's in a little awkward position there behind me, but it's okay. I can reach it. The shower head will move up and down on this pole. Okay, I'll show you how it works. Twist the knob and let it slide right down. Tighten the knob back up. How about that? And the shower head does disconnect from the handle. You also got this line here so that you can hang up your wet bathing suit and let it dry off and get ready for the next day. The curtain here has a rod on it so that you can grab it and sling it right around to you. And notice too, there are plenty of grab bars in this bathroom. An accessible cabin also requires that the wheelchair be able to turn around 360 degrees inside the bedroom and inside the bathroom. I'm thinking about it here. Yeah, okay, I'll show you. There you go. And there's a sink. I thought that the soap products they have and the shampoo and conditioners were top notch, so you really don't need to bring any from home. If you can reuse the towel, hang it up. If not, throw it on the floor and it'll be changed out for you. And you have one 110 outlet in here and some shelving. There's plenty of closet space here in this cabin. Let me show you. Okay, this first closet here, you see we have the clothes hung up high, but there's also a place where you can put a bar down low so that you can access it from a wheelchair. Your life preservers are in the shelf overhead. Here in the next cabinet, you're going to find your safe and some more shelving. And now you've got your work desk / makeup station. And this is where you'll find some more power outlets for the room. We saw only the one 110 regular plug, but if you have adapters, you can use the other ones. The lamps you'll find on either side of your bed also have USB outlets. Our cabin A303 has a balcony, and I'm going to show you how to get these curtains open. You can do it from the wheelchair, but note there is a slight incline leading up to the glass door. So you might have to put your brakes on your wheelchair. and the handle on the door was pretty tough. But look how easy it is to get out that door once those little ramps go down. Plenty of room on this balcony to turn the wheelchair around and check out the view. You also have 2 chairs and a little table out there. I'm going to give you a better look at that ramp now. Well, we hope this cabin tour of A303 on the Enchanted Princess will help you make a decision on what type of cabin you need in your cruise vacation. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. And I always answer every comment and question. We're always glad to help. We are Sea Lake Journeys. Thanks for watching. Please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel.
If you would like to support this channel, please consider becoming a member or hit the super thanks icon below. We really do appreciate it. Until next time, we'll see you around the channel.
See you around the channel.